I'm Joel Bartholomew, Innovation Manager at Braun. When we work with customers to help them select the best valve for their application, we ask a lot of questions. That's because there are often user requirements or considerations that are not included in the specifications. An important one is material compatibility, and there are 3 areas that we need to address. First is the interaction between the valve material and the fluid passing through the valve. The fluid could damage the valve, especially if the fluid is corrosive like a chemotherapy agent, or certain valve designs could actually affect the fluid. Blood cells, for instance, can be damaged passing through some valves. Communicating the intended use of the valve at the outset can prevent compatibility problems and help eliminate issues after development. Second, you need to look at material interaction during manufacturing. The bonding of tubing to a valve can create both hoop and tensile stresses. Solvents used to bond the tubing can degrade the material at the connection port, and some tubing contains plasticizers that can leach out over time, causing chemical stresses on the valve. The process of attaching a component to a valve can impart stresses too. For example, the torque used to attach a valve to another rigid component on the device could cause a problem, so it's important to understand the mechanical limits and stress loads of your components. Finally, it's essential to remember that stresses are cumulative. You need to account for the sum of all chemical and mechanical stresses on a valve. Under a low mechanical stress, a certain level of chemical stress could be acceptable, but combine a high mechanical stress with multiple chemical stresses and a failure could result. Almost all issues related to material compatibility can be addressed with thorough communication. Specifications are a great place to start, but it's important to step beyond them. Communicating openly and fully with the valve supplier can overcome unexpected problems and ensure selection of a valve that functions as required. We have 2 other videos related to valve selection, one on sterilization methods and one on criticality of function. And you can download a free white paper on this topic at bbraunoem.com/resources. We'd also welcome the opportunity to talk about valve selection face-to-face with your colleagues. Call or email us to schedule a visit. It's all part of our Sharing Expertise initiative, which we hope will make Braun's OEM division a valuable partner for your medical device designs and production.